Picture yourself waking up each day feeling strong, energized, and ready to take on life, no matter your age. What if the secret to maintaining your strength wasn't intense workouts or strict diets, but simply what you eat before bed? After 60, you could lose up to 8% of your muscle every decade, much of it while you sleep. But there's a simple fix. Tonight, you can start protecting your muscles, easing morning aches, and boosting recovery, just by adding the right foods to your nighttime routine. No gimmicks, no hassle, just 7 powerful science-backed choices that work while you rest. Let's dive in. Number 7, cottage cheese. This humble food is a nighttime powerhouse. Packed with casein, a slow-digesting protein, it releases amino acids over 6-8 hours, perfect for feeding your muscles all night. Studies show older adults who eat casein before bed see a 30% increase in overnight muscle repair. It's also rich in tryptophan, which helps you fall asleep faster. Enjoy half a cup of plain, low-fat cottage cheese 30-60 minutes before bed. Add strawberries, a sprinkle of nutmeg, or a touch of honey for flavor. Mix in flax seeds for extra fiber and heart-healthy fats. It's gentle on digestion, affordable, and ideal for those who wake up stiff or low on energy. Number 6, hard-boiled eggs. Don't underestimate this simple snack. Eggs are loaded with high-quality protein and leucine, an amino acid that triggers muscle repair. As we age, we need more leucine to maintain muscle, and eggs deliver it perfectly. A 2021 study found older adults who ate eggs before bed preserved 19% more muscle mass. They also had higher levels of a key growth hormone that declines with age, leading to less soreness and stronger muscles. Prep a batch in advance. Eat 1 or 2 peeled about 30 minutes before sleep. They're easy to digest and won't spike your blood sugar. Add paprika, cherry tomatoes, or avocado for extra flavor and healthy fats, perfect for light nights or when you don't feel like cooking. Number 5, tuna in olive oil. This ocean-powered snack is a recovery champion. Tuna is one of the leanest, most protein-rich foods, full of leucine to jumpstart muscle repair. The olive oil adds healthy fats that slow digestion, keeping amino acids in your system all night. A 2020 study showed older adults who ate protein and fat like this before bed had 34% better muscle repair. They also experienced less morning stiffness, better vitamin D absorption, and lower inflammation, key for staying active and pain-free. Scoop out half a can, enjoy it 30 minutes before bed. Pair with celery, cucumber, or whole grain crackers. A splash of lime or fresh dill adds flavor without heaviness. Skip heavy dressings. They can disrupt sleep. Tuna fights age-related muscle loss, and olive oil supports heart health and overnight recovery. A smart choice for long-term strength. Number 4, Greek yogurt. Creamy, satisfying, and packed with benefits for both muscles and gut health. Greek yogurt is strained 3 times, giving it more protein, less sugar, and a rich texture. It's loaded with casein for sustained muscle support, probiotics for better digestion, and calcium for strong bones and muscle function. A 6-week study found older adults eating Greek yogurt before bed had 26% more muscle repair, better energy in muscle cells, and less morning fatigue. Enjoy half to 1 cup of plain, unsweetened yogurt 30-60 minutes before bed. Top with blueberries, ground ginger, or pumpkin seeds for extra fiber and healthy fats. Calcium helps prevent nighttime cramps, and probiotics reduce inflammation and boost immunity. This snack fuels your muscles and gut, setting you up for a lively day. Number 3, warm milk with turmeric. A comforting golden drink with powerful recovery benefits. Milk naturally contains casein, calcium, and tryptophan, all of which support relaxation and better sleep. The real magic is in turmeric's curcumin, a potent anti-inflammatory that fights muscle loss and joint pain, common challenges as we age. A 2022 study found older adults who drank a curcumin-infused protein beverage before bed saw a 32% improvement in muscle repair, less stiffness, and deeper, more restorative sleep. The warmth soothes your nervous system, helping your body heal more effectively. Warm 1 cup of milk, try organic or A2 if sensitive. Stir in 1/4 teaspoon turmeric and a pinch of black pepper to boost curcumin absorption. A little maple syrup adds sweetness, keep it light. If you avoid dairy, use fortified soy or almond milk with added protein. Sip it slowly, 30 minutes before sleep. This drink reduces inflammation, supports recovery, and helps you wake up refreshed. Number 2, almond butter. A rich nutty treat that's a nutritional powerhouse. Packed with healthy fats, plant-based protein, magnesium, and vitamin E. The fats slow digestion, providing steady energy for muscles. Magnesium helps relax muscles and prevent nighttime cramps. Vitamin E protects muscle cells from damage. Research shows older adults who include almond-based fats in their evening routine see 17% better muscle preservation and lower cortisol, the stress hormone that breaks down muscle. It also promotes deeper, more restful sleep. Enjoy 1 tablespoon of natural almond butter 30 minutes before bed. Eat it straight, on whole grain bread, or with fruit. Choose brands with just almonds and maybe salt, no added sugar or oils. Magnesium helps calm restless legs, leading to better sleep and more growth hormone release for repair. A quick, satisfying option when you want something simple. Number 1. Tart cherry juice, the top choice for recovery and sleep. This tart, refreshing drink is loaded with anthocyanins, antioxidants that fight inflammation and protect muscles, and natural melatonin for better sleep. A 2019 study found adults over 50 who drank tart cherry juice before bed had 33% less muscle soreness, 15% better sleep quality, and higher antioxidant levels in their blood. Better sleep means more growth hormone for muscle repair. Less inflammation means less joint pain and easier movement. Drink 4-6 ounces of pure, unsweetened tart cherry juice 30-45 minutes before bed. Mix with water or a splash of orange juice to mellow the tartness. Avoid sugary blends, they can spike blood sugar and disrupt sleep. This drink is a reset for your body, reducing soreness and boosting recovery so you wake up revitalized. If joint pain and poor sleep are holding you back, tart cherry juice is a natural, effective solution. And there you have it, 7 powerful foods to transform your nights. Tart cherry juice, almond butter, warm turmeric milk, Greek yogurt, tuna in olive oil, hard-boiled eggs, and cottage cheese. These aren't fads. They're proven strategies to help you stay strong, active, and independent. Muscle loss doesn't have to be inevitable. By fueling your body the right way before bed, you can protect your strength, reduce discomfort, and wake up ready to live fully. Try one of these tonight. Notice how you feel in the morning, stronger, more energized, and ready to take on the day. Let us know where you're watching from. Comment below with questions or your experience. Subscribe and hit the bell for more expert tips from Senior Health. Share this with someone who needs it. Together, let's make aging a journey of strength, vitality, and opportunity, one night at a time. Keep moving forward, own your journey.